Hey guys, so today is the day of my surgery and I'm about to walk into the hospital and get ready to have my myomectomy. I'm just here, just got my IV and they said it's going to be about an hour of me having to wait until surgery. So I'm out of surgery and I just said that I'm not allowed to drink anything or eat anything until tomorrow morning. And now it's 4:44 p.m. I am in a little pain. Like I feel a little cramping. But not so much because I've been pressing this button that they gave me for pain medication. I'm not sure what it's called. Still kind of feel a little bit woozy. I guess that's still the anesthesia kind of wearing off. I don't know how many they removed or what yet. I have to wait till I can talk to the doctor. But I'm doing okay. And I have these little compression socks or something that's making sure I don't get blood clots, and it just keeps coming on and off. But they said everything went well. I didn't get out till like 3 or maybe 2 p.m. I'm not sure because I went in for surgery at noon. And I don't think I got out till maybe 3. So I'm just gonna rest right now and wait and see what happens. But I'm so thirsty. I wish I could drink something, but they said nothing by mouth until tomorrow, which is Tuesday. Good morning. So they just removed my catheter. And today is now day 2. And I have to walk today for the first time. They also stopped the, I forget what they're called, little things on your legs that massage your legs while you're laying down. It's like I can kind of feel my bladder feeling a little heavy. I'm not sure if I have to use it yet, but I don't want to wait till the last minute, you know. As far as pain, everything's been pretty good. I have like a little button I have this button that I push for pain, and it like sends the drug through my IV. Other than that, I've been pretty good. Feels like my uterus sometimes kind of pulsates, or I don't know if it's moving or something, but it kind of gives me like either like a contraction sensation or like a clutching. And when that happens, it's so painful. But it happens like every once in a blue moon, out of nowhere. So my throat is scratchy. I wasn't allowed to eat or drink anything yesterday after surgery. My doctor's orders. He doesn't allow any of his patients to eat or drink anything the day of the surgery. So today I should be able to be on a liquid diet and consume water. So yesterday all I could consume was little ice chips, and my mouth was so dry. It still feels dry, but not as dry because I've been sucking on the ice chips and just now starting to drink some water. It's about 5:50 in the morning, and I haven't seen my doctor yet. I think he makes his rounds starting at 6:30 in the morning, because I have no idea how many fibroids they found. And I also had a cyst, so I believe he took out my cyst also. So now it's just me waiting to talk to him to see if I had more than the 3 that they knew about from the ultrasound. Right now my stomach is cramping. Not sure if that's my bladder or my uterus acting up, but I've been trying to slowly sit up so I can prepare myself for when I have to use the restroom. I don't want it to be a sudden thing, you know. I didn't really sleep last night. I slept on and off because, of course, you're constantly getting visited by a nurse to check your blood pressure and things like that. And they also took some blood and gave me antibiotics through my IV. So yeah, just trying to take it easy here. And this is day 2. So now it's 9:15 a.m. and I just ate my breakfast, which was a liquid diet with vegetable broth. It had a lemon icy, some tea, and apple juice. Also, it had Jello and Ensure, but I didn't drink those because it has milk, and like I said, I'm trying to be vegan, or try to start to be vegan. And I don't know if it's because I'm starting to eat, but my stomach is cramping. It feels so weird when I was trying to consume my breakfast, but it's coming back in waves here and there, but it's kind of calming down. So I guess that's my stomach kind of getting used back to digesting things. so I'm just laying here. I did bring my iPad, so I've been watching some shows and some YouTube. I'm just pretty much chilling. They did come in and give me some type of medicine, she said, for blood clots. And I'm hooked up back to my compression socks, I guess is what you call it. So they're back on, massaging my legs. I just feel really tired. And I think it's because of the medication. My pain medication. I forget what it's called. It's called Dilated. So that was the little button I showed you that I can push. It's called Dilated, and I think it just makes you kind of woozy. I'm tired. So yeah, I'm just here trying to relax. I did get up and walk 2 times, and I did use the restroom and urinate, which was not, it's not fun at all. That first time urinating after you walk for the first time, I remember it being painful from my C-sections, and it was painful today. It's like your stomach, like it's like your bladder is being pushed with something. So it just didn't feel nice, but I did it because they're obviously tracking me now that I no longer have the catheter. They're tracking how much urine I'm producing. So I just got another one of those little cramps. Not sure if that's gas. Might be gas bubbles, to be honest with you. It does not feel nice at all. And yeah, so still haven't seen the doctor. He hasn't came in yet, so I'm looking forward to talking to him and asking him about, like I said, my fibroids side. About how many fibroids they found, and did they get the cysts and all that information. So I'll probably check in back once I hear any updates. So here is dinner. I did tell them I was vegan, so they changed my diet. And I got this veggie stir fry, a salad, some tea, and Italian ice. And I also drinking some cranberry juice. So this is the first solid meal I've had today. The other 2 meals, breakfast and lunch, were liquid. I feel like my locks are looking crazy. I haven't been able to moisturize them. Just gonna spray them with this. This is aloe vera juice and rose water mix. I've been keeping them covered for the most part with my bonnet. Just feel really dry. And I'm not allowed to take a shower. It's almost 7 p.m. and they just removed my IV. They removed the pain medication from the IV. They removed my dressing off of my incision. And the surgeon came in and told me that he removed 4 to 5 fibroids. He said that he has pictures of them, but I have to wait till I see him in the office for him to send them to me, which is good. Because I am curious to see how big they were and what they look like. Here. Oh, it's looking crazy. Right. I didn't bring any oil, so this is all I have to moisturize, just a spray. And put back on my bonnet to keep them protected. So he said he's probably gonna send me home tomorrow around this time, maybe like 6 p.m. My incision looks good, and I did try to eat my dinner, but I could not finish it because of these gas pains. So I've been walking around trying to sit up to get it to move. And you know, they want you to have a bowel movement hopefully before you leave. I haven't had one of those, but I have been urinating in the bathroom all day, and I've been slowly passing gas, which is a good sign. So we will see what happens next. This is still day 2.